Warning, F-bombs are armed and might be dropped, but probably not this time. Okay, this is actually a video inspired by one particular uh, YouTuber. I tried to explain the process of putting sailing needles into covers, and I did a really bad job of it. Trying to translate a physical action into words is not actually something I do very well. So, rather than go over it and over and over it, here we are. All right. Now, bear with me for a second because I don't actually have a stand. There we go. No. All right. So, here's the cover. Right? Now, I'm right-handed, so I would want everything on my right side, which would be right here. Now, let me get in close enough. You see, obviously, the stitches right about here. Right about here. What you're going to do is aim in between the stitches. Got an actual sailing needle here, not a carpet needle, I think. Just aim them in between. The first time is always the hardest. Where have we heard that before? Right. Just aim in between the stitches. Right? This is not a sailing needle, obviously, but again, same concept, different type of needle that would not normally be carried in this capacity. All right? You obviously should probably aim a little deeper. Safety pin, right? Now, safety pin is a little bit different. You actually probably want to, first of all, get it through without sticking in the plastic material in the bill. Yes, there is no reason you can't use a safety needle in this kind of thing. There. Hey, that needle finally came in helpful. I don't like the shovels. I don't know what they really are, but I call them shovels because they look like shovels. Alright. There you go. Safety needle, a little bit different. You'd get it through and then probably close the safety. Try and lay it flat so that it's not in your field of vision and distracting you. When I was at Rio, there was one guy at BM1 who actually carried a paper clip up here to stick into the discharge outlet valve on the engines when they got clogged up with sand and dirt and stuff. Here you go. There they are. The one is not normally something I would carry, so it's kind of stuck in there weird, but otherwise perfectly good. And then you put it on your cover, and right there it is. And you can normally see. With a little bit of practice, you can actually learn to put them in without even looking. This is something I haven't done in a long time, and this is a needle I would not normally use. There you go. Right there, right where you need it. Safety pin's a little weird, but that's also not something I normally did. I've seen HSs do that. Keep calm, mandatory carry on, and go see Alita.